Hello everyone, I'm an Ayushakti Doctor, Dr. Ashok Thomas. Today we'll discuss about tinnitus. It is seen among the 5 people in the world. Tinnitus is the perception of noise or ringing in the ears. It is also called as Karnanad or Karnik Swed as per Ayurveda. As the word implies, Karna means ears and Nad means sound. It is the annoying sensation of sound such as ringing, roaring, buzzing or hissing that is heard, which is actually not present. It is seen that it could be present at all time or it may come and go. It may be present in one ear or both the ears. The phantom noise could range from a low roar to a high squeal. It is seen that when sometimes the sound is too high that it interferes with the ability to concentrate or even hear an actual sound. As per Ayurveda, due to unwholesome food and lifestyle, the Vata dosh gets increased and it gets lodged in the ears, in the nerves and the bone. This excessive Vata disrupts the blood circulation and causes imbalance between the ear and the brain tissues, which alters the sensation of sound. This causing these sounds such as ringing and roaring and buzzing. It is seen that among the age of 60 years, or it is seen that a lot of exposure to sound such as music or even constant sound that is seen due to machinery, due to injuries that is present in the head or the neck, or tumor that is caused in the brain or near the ear, which can press towards the blood vessels near it, can cause tinnitus. Certain medications such as certain antibiotics or antidepressants or diuretics can also cause this. So by altering the state of it or reducing the dosage of it can reduce tinnitus. Abnormal growth of bone in the middle ear can also cause this condition. So to resolve this condition, we should reduce the Vata dosh that is in excess in the ear region. Therefore, we should do is reduce the sound that is heard through the ears, or by wearing a hearing aid, or doing some practices of Ayurveda, of pranayam, yoga, meditation when the stress levels are too high. And you can also do a home remedy wherein taking some sesame oil which is processed with tulsi, garlic and carom seeds are used, and some drops of it are put into the ears. Here at Ayushakti, to treat this, we have certain detoxification that are done along with herbs, diet and lifestyle, which is done so that tinnitus as a conditions or any other underlying conditions which is causing tinnitus can be resolved. Certain treatments like Karna Puran and Nasya are done for the nourishment of the nerves of the ears so that this condition can be treated. So, kindly drop in at any of Ayushakti centers to get treated. Thank you.